What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And I told y'all that we are going to be hooking up the Dodge Avenger. Now, the first thing we're going to do to hook up our car is to get extra 12-volt ports. This is probably one of the biggest upgrades, well, especially for me, because I will be doing multiple things in my car. This will be one of the greatest upgrades that you can get. With this, you have USB ports right here, USB ports right here. All right. You have your on and off button if you want to port off or on. And we are going to go ahead, hook it up, and have fun with it. All right. Very nice design, off and on for the whole thing. All right. And this is good, especially if you only have one port and the wire is about, I want to say like 2 foot. So you definitely have enough wire depending on where you want this. Some cool things about this is that you do have the quick charge up here, and then they have the cigarette lighter. They have that right here. So you see the little prongs? These are smooth. Another thing, if this messes up, they have a fuse on here. So you just twist that and out come your fuse, okay? And then you twist it back on, push it back in. And now I'm gonna turn the car on. Let's see. All right, you guys. So these 3 sockets can power up for a total of 180 watts. Now, also with this, in case people don't know, this is the actual voltage of your car battery. All right, so it's reading the car battery voltage and the usage that you're using this. So this has a range. I think it's between like 10 to 13 or 14 or something like that. So that's how much range you have before you overloading on this thing. So if you go like below 10, that means you're using a lot of power. Okay, just want to let y'all know that. For the most part, you probably won't use that much. For most people, y'all charging your phone and stuff like that. Let's say, for instance, let's see. We're going to try to charge it up right now. I have my dash camera right there. I'm going to press down on this. Now that's charging. So I got my dash camera on. We went down to 12.1. I got my phone right here. Let me charge my phone. And again, I don't have that much charging right now. So I got my phone on charge. And we are at 11.9 right now as we speak. As you can see, we went from 12.4, was it? Or 12 point something. So we take it out again. So we go 12.3. I'm gonna hook up my dash camera again. So I got my dash camera and my phone is charging. And again, I don't have nothing else to charge right now. But if I do charge more stuff, I will show y'all. But yo, there we go. We had 12. So yeah. And also this does have a cutoff. I think when it gets close to like 10 voltage, it has like an automatic shut off. So you do have extra fuses with this. Okay. You do have tape. Now, if you want to tape it, you can go ahead, put the 3M tape right here on the back and stick it to wherever you like. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.